Hi, this is Dan Collins coming to you live from Traders Expo New York. I'm joined by Bill Sindel, who's Senior Product Manager at Cryptowatch.
Thanks for having me.
All right, why don't you tell us a little bit what Cryptowatch is?
So Cryptowatch is an exchange aggregation platform. We're targeted for the active traders in crypto out there. We're owned by Kraken, one of the top exchanges for trading crypto. But what we like to do is give users the ability to see pricing and do analysis on prices and tokens in crypto from all the different exchanges. We actually bring in data from over 25 exchanges, and all the pairs combined, there's over 3,000 pairs that users can analyze on our platform.
Okay, and we wanted to point out that, I mean, it may be, people may say, well, wait a second, Kraken is one of the exchanges you aggregate, but they own you. Are they going to push their orders to themselves?
And then, you know, that's a great question. It's something that when I joined the firm, I was kind of wondering myself, and is it going to be my job to steer the people there? And really, our attitude is that we just want to really build this community and build this universe of crypto traders. And so the more access we can give them and the better view we can give them of the markets overall, we feel that then we're really accomplishing our goal. And Kraken as an exchange has so much quality behind it, the security, the ability to trade fiat as well, really we think gives the users an incentive to trade on Kraken on their own, but we're not doing anything artificial to try and steer them that way.
Okay, well, people who trade on it, how is it different now? The cryptocurrency has grown so much that there actually is cryptocurrency futures traded at the CME Group and at Chicago Board Options Exchange. How is that different than these platforms?
So basically what we're doing is we're trading spot, and Kraken actually recently bought Crypto Facilities, which is publishing the index for the CME. And so we feel that, you know, just like traditional markets, there are going to be people trading spot markets, there are going to be people trading futures markets, there are going to be people trading different derivative markets, and we're just trying to give as much access as we can, and actually we'll be integrating futures into the Cryptowatch platform as well, now with Crypto Facilities within our family.
Yeah. Now, is this a positive for the whole universe? Because as we know, what any trader wants and every trader needs is liquidity. And if you have different platforms and if you have different products, a spot and the futures, there's usually an arbitrage develops which creates more liquidity.
That's really what we're looking for. We're looking for ways just to build this part of the industry. We feel that this is the next great frontier of trading, and there's so much interest in it, and there are so many players that want to approach it in different ways, both the traditional stuff that we've seen a lot of arbitrage algos and things like that going on, and we feel that the more products we can offer, the more analysis tools we can offer, the more that all of those players that are just starving for some kind of place to have another opportunity, they're going to come and trade crypto.
Okay. Now, have you seen an example of this in terms of liquidity, in terms of no large gaps in the bid offers?
Yeah, we actually have found that for the most part, the larger crypto, the larger tokens, the Bitcoins, the Ethers, there's real good depth to those, and we found that people have really been able, you know, sometimes it'll look thin on the surface like any other market, and then all of a sudden, you know, there's depth to it when the trading starts. And the two-sided markets are there, and as we get more of these derivatives and more opportunities to have different ways of playing on another side and hedging and things like that, I think that there's no way that this just can't explode over time.
Well, it's gotten people's attention. It certainly
sure has.
All right, well, we're going to take a little break, and then we're going to go more in depth with some questions for Bill Sindel. This has been Dan Collins coming to you live from Traders Expo New York.